Hello everyone, you and hello Raster. In today's video, friends, I decided to go to my friend his house. Now I told my friend to ask for some eggs. I will go now, friends. Ooh, the door is very cold, friends. Oh, friends, it's snow. Right now. Right now. Bonnie! Bonnie! Right now. Bonnie! Oh, my friend is not at home. Oh, why I don't have friend? It seems that he does not have an axe. There should be an axe in his room. Oh, what is this book? Oh, 1000 zombies glitches Dead City? Oh no! No! 1000 zombie? Is this tree? Is this tree? What? Zombie is 2027? Oh, what? How is this? Now